In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can re-upload videos on YouTube and make money online. You don't have to make those videos yourself. You just have to choose videos from YouTube and then re-upload them on your own channel and make more than $3,000 every single day. That's a lot of money. Think about it. Everything you ever wished for will soon be at your doorsteps. Before the video starts, comment down below what all the interesting things you will buy with that money. I will give a shout out to the most interesting idea. Because for sure, you can do a lot with a passive income of $3,000 every day, or you can say $90,000 per month. I am not kidding. As you can see here, this channel was started on the 4th of April, 2022. And within 4 months, this channel has over 4 to 5 million views. This is crazy. The trick I am about to share with you guys today can be applied to any niche, and it will work on any reupload channel. If you want views like this, you have to grab a niche for your channel. It could be anything: wrestling, baseball, basketball, city walks, etc. Just grab a niche and only upload content related to that niche. As you can see, this channel's niche is basketball. Every video is under a minute, and still, it is getting millions of views throughout their channel. According to Social Blade, this channel is making up to $90,000 per month. And if you also wish to make money like this, then keep on watching until the end to understand this process completely. So, let's get started. Hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. The first step is to go to your browser and download the VLC media player. Some of you might know this software. I use it too, for movies and stuff. But VLC provides way more than that, and I will show you what I mean. As you can see, VLC is a free and open-source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files, as well as DVD, audio CD, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. Just download VLC by clicking on this button. It is also available for Mac OS. So after you have installed it, let's get back to the YouTube channel, about which we talked earlier. Here you can see the number of views each video is getting. All you have to do is select any video. I'm going to select this one, the Steps Flashback. You don't have to watch this video. All you have to do is copy the URL of this video or click on Share and copy it from here. After you have grabbed the URL of this video, let's go back to VLC. Now, I will right-click here at the bottom of this window, select Open Media, and then select Open Network. Now, I will paste the URL here and click play. The YouTube video will start playing in your VLC media player. Now, pause the video, go over to the Tools tab on the top, and select Open Media Information. At the bottom of this pop-up, where it says Location, we are going to copy this link. After copying, do not close this window, keep it open in the background. Now open your browser and paste the link into the URL bar and press Enter. Here you can see the video again, but you already know that we are not here to watch this video. Rather, we are here to make money online. But before going any further, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel because it is free and you can unsubscribe anytime. So now we will click this button right here to download this video. Now all you have to do is make your own channel and start uploading videos like this. You can make thumbnails to attract the audience. It is not necessary, as this channel also doesn't make a thumbnail. It uses the auto-generated thumbnails by YouTube, which is just a screenshot from the video. But catchy thumbnails and titles do help to push the video further. You can also add descriptions and tags. Now, to start earning from YouTube, you have to clear some requirements. After that, you will be able to monetize the channel. The requirements are you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and a watch time of more than 4,000 hours. After completing these requirements, you will receive an email from YouTube saying, "Welcome to the partnership program." And after that, the money will start rolling in. That's all for today. If this information was helpful in any way, make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.